If you want your patients to say yes to a $50,000 full arch treatment plan, then you don't start with big yeses, you start with micro yeses. Let me explain what I mean. Micro yeses are small agreements that you're gonna get throughout the consultation that are gonna build momentum towards the big decision. This is how it works. Start with easy, low pressure questions. Does this sound like the solution you've been wanting? Would you like me to show you what this could look like for you? You could also do more commitment-oriented questions like this. These can be really valuable. If we could give you the result without X, Y, and Z, would you want to move forward? Build on each yes, because every small agreement creates a pattern. And when you finally present the treatment plan, saying yes is going to feel natural. The mistake that most TCs make, they jump from a friendly conversation straight into the investment without building a chain of agreements first. Remember, people are more likely to say yes to the big ask when they've already said yes to the smaller ones along the way. If this was helpful, like, follow, subscribe for more tips on closing high-value full arch cases.